Hello, this is Short Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com, doing a video recap for ticker MNKD. Right now what you're looking at is the daily chart for the past year or so. So I've done this is probably my third video on MannKind. The first one I did was, I want to say about 2 days ago, when the stock rallied about 27% or so. From the close, I indicated, well, that's great, especially if you had bought in around the 170 area, right? 2 days ago, you saw after hours activity and the stock popped to a high of 220, filling that gap. So I was a bit optimistic, however cautionary in my tone. The initial price target I saw for the stock was around $2.20, and I indicated, well, that was achieved in after hours, so I'm not quite sure, unless it could hold that, if the stock was going to appreciate more. I did warn for folks to not jump in around that 220 after hours area, because once again, the gap was filled and more than likely the stock was going to revert back. And so you don't see that here in the candles, again, because this was in after hours trading, not during normal trading hours. At any rate, so the stock, let's focus in on what's going on presently. So the stock closed at $1.73, which is very close to the low of the day of 171. So for me, that may indicate we are going to head a little bit lower tomorrow and going into next week. I know that the bulls are not going to like this, but it's what I'm seeing in the chart. It doesn't mean that it's going to happen, but based on today's close, I think that's a likely scenario. All is not lost if you guys can hold on at least to that 140, 150 area. If you can keep trading activity around $1.40 and $1.50, what you would have done, at least in the shorter term, would be to stave off or stop the selling, so to speak. So that's kind of it. Looks like it's heading lower. We might see a touch of $1.40 or $1.50. The bulls just need to hold on to that. If you can't, things will perhaps get a lot nastier from here. However, if you can defend that, there's a chance you can actually walk it back up to this resistance level of around 180 and possibly fill that gap. And who knows from that point on. So that's it. Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com. Slightly bearish in the shorter term for MannKind based on today's close. Look like we want to head back to test that support level of around 140 to 150. So head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.